Hello, my name is Jiahua Zhou. The topic of the research is the survived companies with going concern are really different from those bankrupted. An exploration about distressed companies' resilience. First, the introduction. Both industry and academics consider auditors' going concern appearance as a second layer of problem medical companies, but most of them can survive. So based on this reality, I'm curious about the three questions. First, what and how do survived companies with a going concern appearance differ from bankrupted companies with going concern appearance? Second, what kind of information about client value creation and strategic future can help to decrease auditors' type 1 error? So, third, what are the fundamental factors for firms' resilience under severe financial pressure and how these companies work out from the trouble? Second, sample and data collection. This study searched the SEC's Edgar and collected 2,378 manufacturing companies with the initial going concern appearance, whose SIC first two digits are from 20 through 39, from 1998 through 2013, and 415 companies of this sample went bankruptcy 2 years later or less. The paper collected the detailed firm-specific financial data from 2 years prior to the going concern appearance through 2 years posterior to going concern appearance from CompuStat. The final data has 4,522 observations, including 994 observations for bankrupted companies. The sample includes 35 variables, and 16 of them are industrial scaled variables, which are scaled by industrial mean and standard deviation. Third, methodology and results. The paper used 4 studies to show the cascaded map of the evolution of a firm's bankruptcy and survival. First, the research runs 2 logistic regressions for both the firm-specific sample and industrial scaled sample. Second, the paper runs factor analysis and also tests the constructed factors with another logistic regression. Third, the paper tests the change between the second prior year and the going concern appearance year to explore the possible cause for firms' bankruptcy. The last study is an endeavor to compare the survived firms' first and second posterior year data to observe distressed firms' resilience and related survival map. So, Table 1 is the selected results for 2 logistical regressions for the firm-specific data and industrial scaled data, but the slide only keep significant variables. And Table 2 is the result of the logistic regression on the extracted virtual factors. You see, some variables are significant, like liability load, liquidated ability, and the fitness of sales and operations. Table 3 is the selected result of 2 t-tests for survivors, and this slide only keep significant variables. Table 4 is the selected results for the logistic regression on the difference between the second prior year and the going concern appearance year. So finally, the conclusion is all of the results show a series of consistent findings. First, liability is the main and original factor for firms' bankruptcy, and usually the fundamental reason for these financial problems is the firm's operational and sales efficiency. Second, cash position and free cash flow are two important signal layers for the related trend. But for these proxies, auditor needs some domain knowledge to support judgment because different industry could have a different cash requirement for their operations. So the industrial scaled proxies would be better for these proxies. Third, the first step of survival map is to find effective finance methods to solve the current problems. But this is not the whole story. The distressed companies have to simultaneously improve operational efficiency and sales, which are the fundamental solutions for the distressed companies. Thank you.